Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get back your post you have liked option on the Instagram. So in the recent version of the Instagram removed this option. Now you won't be able to use this option on the Instagram. How you can get it back? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So in the recent update, Instagram removed this feature from the Instagram. So this feature is working for me because I did not update my Instagram application yet. But if you have updated your Instagram and you want to get it back, simply you have to uninstall your Instagram application and open your browser. Once you will open it, here you have to search for the Instagram. APK old version. Once you will do it, here you will find all the old versions, so tap on it. Once you will do it, a new link is open. You have to download the older version of the Instagram. Here you will see different older version of the Instagram, so you can download any of the version from here and you will find that option. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.